Good morning, everyone. On behalf of DBMS College of Education, I, Neha Bharti, would like to convey you that we have organized an online competition on the topic What are you missing during this lockdown? This competition was organized for B.Ed 4th semester students and we have selected few videos for you. The first batch of B.Ed students of our newly established institutions were missing their college, their teachers, along with their respected principal madam. Now let us see what Sukanya, Yaman, Deepika, Laya, Pitrudev, Mamta, Parul, Tanushri, Arpita, and Ujjwal are missing most during these difficult times of lockdown period. Thank you.
Hello everybody, I'm Sukanya. Things have changed drastically. The rituals are on hold as the pandemic is real. The world has slowed down as just to rediscover itself. Things which I missed during this quarantine or this lockdown are, of course, my parents, my family, my friends. I used to visit them once a week or twice a week. We used to meet for lunches, dinners. Of course, binging on street food, the love for street food outings was real, which I can't do anymore. I used to do that prior lockdown. Of course, a weekend pause with my husband. After a long, busy week, we used to go out for dinners just for the love for Chinese. A long drive just to satisfy my ice cream cravings. Just miss everything. Of course, my college, the bustle of the campus, lectures, my friends, everything, the dynamics and the surprises which used to come to me. Just miss everything. During this quarantine, one thing which I have learned is the art of relaxing and resetting from the daily work and the daily life. Hope everyone is doing fine. Take care. Thank you.
Hey friends, hope you're enjoying this lockdown. So, I got a task to tell you about what I'm missing most in this lockdown. Hmm, yeah, I'm missing many things, but the most importantly, I'm missing three things. First, I'm missing myself. My busy, that busy Yaman who didn't have time to do anything. My schedules, morning classes, after that going for tuitions. Too busy. I'm missing that busy life. And after that, I must tell that I'm missing that classroom, that last three benches where I used to sit and enjoy with my friends. Yeah, that's the time I'm missing. I'm not missing teachers because they are taking online classes, and I'm enjoying that. Uh, but that last three benches, I'm missing them a lot. Not the last but least, the final I'm missing that long drives that I used to go for in the weekend or when I'm stressed, when I'm happy. Every time the situation, whatever the situation is, I love for going long drive. I'm missing that long drive. So hope you all are enjoying this lockdown and bringing out the best in you and utilizing this time. Thank you.
Divine. Quarantine has changed our life in such a way that we had never imagined of. It feels like we wake up in some other world. Life has suddenly become so quiet and slow. Though we have become habituated of this kind of life, but still deep inside our heart we miss those little things, those small pleasures which used to fill our life with utmost happiness. The sudden plan with friends, the coffee date, the movie plan, going out, getting ready, everything is like missing from our life. But apart from all these things, what I miss most is my college. A few months back, we used to long for one single day off, and now here I pray that our college opens as soon as possible. So this pandemic has taught us to stay inside and so many other things, but there is no comparison like going to a college and just getting all the students like things done. Thank you.
The one thing which I miss most during this lockdown imposed due to the pandemic caused by the coronavirus is the control that I had over my life, my future plans, the way I had planned that things would be happening. Everything has taken a backseat right now. There is a lot of uncertainty as to how much time this whole thing will get normalized. So my plans seem to have taken a little backseat. I'm not in control over what I want my life to be like right now. I have to go along with the tide right now. So that is what I'm missing. That control on my life I'm missing most. Family and friends, yes, but that to a lot of extent has been taken care by the social media. And of course, cool gappas of L Road.
हेलो एवरीवन, दिस इज़ पितृदेव कुमार। जैसे कि अभी लॉकडाउन चल रहा है, उस वजह से मैं बहुत सारी चीज़ें मिस कर रहा हूँ। कुछ चीज़ें बता देता हूँ। जैसे कि मैं डी रोड के गरम गरम समोसे और गरम गरम जलेबियाँ मिस कर रहा हूँ। बहुत टेस्टी लगते हैं वो, बहुत मज़ा आता है उन्हें खाने में, उन्हें मिस कर रहा हूँ। सेकेंड है कि मैं कहीं घूमने नहीं जा पा रहा हूँ। प्लान्स बन रहे तो उन्हें कैंसिल कर देना पड़ रहा है क्योंकि अभी कहीं जाना मना है। थर्ड है मैं मूवीज़ नहीं देख पा रहा हूँ। मूवी बफ हूँ बहुत बड़ा, मूवीज़ मिस कर रहा हूँ, नहीं देख पा रहा हूँ। फोर्थ है मैं अपने कॉलेज को मिस कर रहा हूँ, अपने दोस्तों को मिस कर रहा हूँ, टीचर्स को मिस कर रहा हूँ, टीचर्स की डांट को, टीचर्स के लेक्चर्स को मिस कर रहा हूँ। उनके लेक्चर्स सुनना बहुत पसंद है मुझे, और अपनी प्रिंसिपल मैम को मिस कर रहा हूँ। सो आई होप कि ये लॉकडाउन जल्दी ख़त्म हो और मैं बाहर जाकर इंजॉय कर पाऊँ, खा सकूँ, कहीं घूमने जा सकूँ, मूवीज़ देख पाऊँ, अपने दोस्तों से, टीचर्स से, अपने प्रिंसिपल मैम से मिल सकूँ। थैंक यू।
नमस्कार। इस लॉकडाउन में हम क्या मिस करते हैं? मैं मिस करती हूँ एक सिस्टमेटिक लाइफ, जहाँ स्कूल, कॉलेज, ऑफिस सब टाइम पे हो रहा था। लॉकडाउन की वजह से सब बंद है। मैं मिस करती हूँ मम्मी पापा से मिलना। साल में एक बार जाती थी, इस बार नहीं जा पाई, मिस करती हूँ। मैं मिस करती हूँ बच्चों के खेलने को। मैदान भर जाते थे, लेकिन आज मैदान वीरान है। मिस करती हूँ एक गरीब पिता के आंखों के उन सपनों को जिसे लेकर वो एक शहर से दूसरे शहर जाता है, ये सोच के कुछ पैसे कमाएगा तो अपने बच्चों के भविष्य को सुरक्षित बना सकेगा। लेकिन लॉकडाउन की वजह से ऐसा वो कर नहीं पाता है। मिस करती हूँ वो एक स्वच्छंद जीवन मिस करती हूँ जो लॉकडाउन के पहले था। हालांकि धरती खुद को संभाल रही है, मानवता के प्रहार को सहने के लिए फिर से तैयार कर रही है। ये लॉकडाउन जल्दी खत्म हो, इसी आशय के साथ अपनी बातों को समाप्त करती हूँ। धन्यवाद।
Hello friends, this is Parul. I am a B.Ed student, DBMS College of Education, and this corona is a turning point of our life. We can't do anything, nothing is in our hand. We can't stop it, nothing is under control. So this is a lockdown period and we have to face everything. We are missing everything in our life. Outing and college, our friends, our teachers, everything. But we have to, because we have to control the corona and we have to be safe in our house. Okay, thank you.
Hey people, I'm Tanushree Bose. अरे ये मैं क्या सुन रही हूँ आप लोगों के बारे में लेडीज़, कि आप लोगों को बहुत ज़्यादा दुख हो रहा है कि लॉन्ग ड्राइव पे नहीं जा पा रहे हो आप लोग, और शॉपिंग नहीं कर पा रहे हो, ब्यूटी प्रोडक्ट्स नहीं खरीद पा रहे हो, पार्टीज़ नहीं जा पा रहे हो, बहुत मिस कर रहे हो आप। हाँ, तो क्या हुआ? जिम भी नहीं जा पा रहे हो, स्विमिंग में नहीं जा पा रहे हो, तो घर पे रहकर योगा कर सकते हो। घर पे रहकर आप लोग प्लांटेशन कर सकते हो। अगर आप लोग के घर पे पेट है तो उसकी देखभाल करो जमकर। और अगर आप लोगों के प्रोडक्ट्स खत्म हो रहे हैं तो आप लोग किचन में जाइए, सिंपल रेमेडीज बनाकर उसको यूज़ कीजिए। सिंपल इंग्रेडिएंट्स हैं, योगा कीजिए, प्राणायाम कीजिए, आप लोग अपने आप को ब्यूटीफाई बनाएंगे। और बुक्स आर द बेस्ट फ्रेंड। आप लोग बुक्स को यूज़ कीजिए और उसमें से आप लोग नॉलेज लीजिए। यूट्यूब है, ऑनलाइन ट्यूटोरियल क्लासेस चल रहे हैं, आप लोग उसको यूज़ कर सकते हैं। सो स्टे सेफ एंड स्टे हेल्दी। बाय, लव यू गाइस।
Hi guys, this is Priyanka and we are all locked up right now during this quarantine period. So we definitely miss a lot of things. I do miss my family, my friends, my colleagues, my college and किसे पता था कि आज ये दिन आएंगे कि जहाँ हम पहले क्लास में मोबाइल को देखा करते थे, आज हम मोबाइल में क्लासरूम को देखेंगे. So it was all very unexpected and let me tell you, I was really very close to nature. I wanted my child to be very close to nature and we are really not able to do anything about that right now because of this lockdown. And I do have few lines I want to say it over here. The world has come to stand still. Everyone is frightened and our voice is shrill. Just a few months ago, we celebrated this new love. Neither I nor you knew it, that it will be full of cries and pain. Just hope it ends soon. We'll meet back again and stay positive.
Too often, we underestimate the power of a touch, a smile, a kind word, a listening ear, an honest compliment, or the smallest act of caring, all of which have the potential to turn a life around. When everyone is residing at home with just the hope of getting things better someday, I, Lekha, a part of DBMS B.Ed College of Education, would like to share my feelings. I really miss my teachers and my respectful principal ma'am as I get to see them online. But I can't get to see them physically, neither can I feel their presence. Thank you so much.
When human life is disturbed, disrupted, and threatened by the novel coronavirus, let us all pray to God to grant us the compassion, humility, and self-discipline to value each and every person, each and every life that is there on this earth. Let us also pray for an early end to this pandemic and for life, health, and peace to return by the mercy and grace of God. Let us all pledge for human solidarity, integrity, and mutual support.